Take a ride in the 2013 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, side airbag, fog lights, CD player, Uconnect hands-free group, brake assist, tachometer, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.